Hi there. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use paragraph to make your content more readable and more easy on eyes. Let's take this example from the Wikipedia site. So this text right here is without any uh, good paragraphing. It's just like one big connected text, and if you want to separate it out into multiple paragraphs so that it becomes easier to read, how are we going to do that? And what else we can do with our paragraph tag? Just let us see. I'll copy this thing into my HTML editor, and now I want to separate it out into three paragraphs. For example, one here and then one here. So you must be wondering how it will look like in the browser since we have separated out the paragraph. So to do that, let us go to the browser, and here is how it looks like. Just leave these characters there for some other reason, but the paragraph has not happened. So basically the text is not divided, still looks very ugly. To do that, we add paragraph tags to it. So for example, we add p. The paragraph tag starts with a p in angular brackets and ends with a slash p. So wherever we want to introduce the paragraphs, we just add p and slash p like this, and then we add one more p here, copy this slash p right here. Let us see how it looks like now. So as you can see, some order has been restored. The text is now showing up in three paragraphs, first, second, and third. So this is how you separate out text with paragraph, but this is not sufficient. Sometimes we want to make this paragraph as bold. To do that, we need the help of the something called as id or a class. So we'll add something called as, let's say, add class, and call it bold. It's just a name, and in here top we add a style, a css code, and end it with slash style, and inside that we type in dot bold. Dot indicates that it is a class, and we add the css, and we say let us say font weight is bold. So this will make the whole paragraph as bold. Let us run this and find out. So as you can see, it is bold. If you want to give it a color red, we can just add color as red, and this font will be now red color and in bold. What if we want to just push this paragraph a little bit inside so that it appears a little bit different from the other paragraphs? To do that, we just do a padding or a margin left. We give it like 20 pixels, so leave out 20 pixel width on the left hand side. We run this file again, and as you can see, this is slightly shifted now. So this tag helps us to make the text more readable, and we can do a lot more things with this, and you should use it appropriately wherever necessary to separate out your text so that people can easily read it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe the video. Thank you.